What are you doing? Your dishes? What are you doing? Your laundry? What are you doing? Walking outside, walking the dog, hiking up a hill, on the bike? Are you on the bike? Are you on the treadmill? What are you doing? Are you in your car? Do people still drive places? What are you...